Tonight, partly cloudy early in the evening, then clearing. A 20% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower to mid-50s. Southwest wind around 10 miles per hour, becoming northwest after midnight. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid to upper 70s. Northwest wind around 10 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Sunday night, partly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Northwest wind around 5 miles per hour. Monday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Northwest wind around 10 miles per hour. Monday night, partly clear. Lows in the lower to mid-50s. North wind around 5 miles per hour. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 441, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Cass, Crow Wing, and Wadena. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. These are the 3 p.m. observations.